Hey everybody! In today's video, we'll show you how to find any Roblox Sound ID perfect for adding music or effects in your game. So let's just jump right in. So you can visit roblox.com for that. Go to any web browser available and go to roblox.com and log in into your account if you're not logged in. And once you reach over here, you need to look out for the Create a Dashboard. On the top of your screen, you can find a Create option. Click on it, and that will open up the Create menu on your screen. And under the section, what you need to do is under this dashboard, right in the right-hand side, you need to look out for this option called Store and click on it. You can go to the marketplace of Roblox. Now, once you are here, you will be finding different categories. So you need to look out for this option of audio here and select it. And once you reach over here, you will be seeing all the list of your songs or sounds uploaded to Roblox in your screen. So you can just go over and head over to one of the audio. I'm just gonna go ahead and look out for the one. You can also just go over it and do so. You can even use the search at the top to go ahead and search for what you're looking for example, explosion, background music, etc., and click on the sound. Now browse until you find the sound, and once you find the sound, you can just go over and start playing the sound. And once you start playing the sound, you can find this option called More Info. Click on it, and after you click on it, the sound will be available in your new page. So from here, once you look over here, you need to look out for the URL in your browser's address bar right in the top. This is right here. So right between this asset and this subutilize, you will be finding a number in between 2/. So this is the ID you're looking for. If you want to go ahead and copy it, you can right click on it and select the option of copy, or just go ahead and press Ctrl+C once you select it. And after this is done, you can close this up. And that is basically how you find your sound. But if you want to add it to your Roblox Studio, you can go to Roblox Studio and insert the sound by going over to a project. So you can just go and open it up. Just go ahead and select the sound and just go over and add the sound here, and just go ahead and paste the ID, and now your sound will be playing in your game. And that's how you find and use Roblox sounds. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process for that. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.